Good day, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Rolling in Crypto. Hope everybody is doing well. The market is up a little bit today, which is always good news. Let's get started with the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. This YouTube channel and everything that's tied with it, our Twitter account and Reddit account, is for informational and entertainment purposes only. We are trying to build a community of like-minded crypto investors to share information and to weed through all the junk and fake news and false information and scams that are out there, because it takes an army of people to fight off these scammers. And we don't want to lose any money. We just want to make money in crypto. We want to help all of us make more money in crypto, which can be done. We need a team. Join our team. So like, share, and subscribe. That's what we're asking you to do. Bring some more people in, especially people who have more expertise than us. Would be even better, wouldn't it? All right, well, let's move on. Got a phone call today about the question about what actually is DeFi. And we all kind of, well, some of us have a better conception of it, but we all know that DeFi is decentralized finance, which means that, the apparatus is not in one location like a bank or the Federal Reserve or something like that, where there's one centralized person or entity running the show and handling it. So this is peer to peer. Instead of going here, then going there, it just goes all over the place. So for an example, if I buy something from you and I use my credit card, well, I don't send you the money directly. The money doesn't come from me and go directly into your bank account. What happens is my bank sends money to your bank, and then your bank puts it in your account, and my bank takes my money out of my account. And then they take a percentage of that. For every transaction that is done, the bank gets a percentage of it. If it has anything to do with the bank, unless you're working with cash, which is why they're trying to kill cash. So just imagine what the fees are for Walmart or Amazon, especially Amazon. I mean, Amazon does no cash. It's just got to be astronomical. Then you understand why the banking industry would not want to be involved with crypto, because for now, I don't, with crypto, you don't need the bank. I send my money to you, you send your money to me, and I don't care what cryptocurrency is in. We can exchange it and then talk apples and apples. So, and it's instant. With a wire transfer, it takes 2 to 3 days to get a wire transfer, business days. If I try to transfer something on Saturday, nothing happens, doesn't even start until Monday. Why is that? It's a wire transfer. Somebody explain it to me. Somebody put in the comments below why a wire transfer would possibly take 2 to 3 business days. I just don't understand it. But I digress. Let's take a look at a few things here and just see exactly what is DeFi. So, I kind of have the 50,000 foot view of it, but let's get a little bit more into it. And some of these things I have tried to look up and understand, but I fully don't understand it and can't find any information to completely explain it so that I can explain it to you. But we'll go over it, and then the things that I have questions further on, I'll make another video on it and we'll tie them together. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is a sector within the cryptocurrency industry focused on providing decentralized financial services. It consists of numerous financial services created by developers that anyone can access. These services differ from centralized alternatives, as they are run by groups of individuals through decentralized organizations and give users greater control over their funds. The DeFi sector is a hotbed of innovation and new decentralized and non-custodial financial services being added every week. Anyone can take advantage of these services from anywhere in the world. So yeah, as we all know, there are many places in the world where people don't have access to use a bank and could use a bank. So with internet connections being much greater than banks, anybody who has an internet connection can now have a bank. So that's one of the awesome things that BlockFi does. The DeFi ecosystem is built on top of public distributed networks and uses executing agreements written into code lines called smart contracts, ensuring that access to financial services is democratized. Let's go on further. Users typically engage with DeFi via software called DApps, decentralized apps, most of which currently run on Ethereum blockchain. Unlike a conventional bank, there is no application to fill out or to open an account. And here are some of the ways people are engaging with DeFi today. Lending, you can lend out your crypto or stake it, and you can earn interest on it, which is nice because the banks aren't paying anything right now, and you get paid constantly. Your money's coming in constantly, which is nice because then it's you can compound it. Getting a loan, you can obtain a loan instantly without filing paperwork if you have cryptocurrency in your account to loan against, and you have to have a lot of crypto to borrow a little bit of crypto, and they still charge you an interest on borrowing against your own money. But some people want to do that, and I'm sure they have their reasons. They're trading on margin is essentially what it is. If you take that loan and then go buy more crypto on it, just be very, very careful. You don't want to get in over your head. Make peer-to-peer trades of certain crypto assets as if you could buy and sell stocks without any kind of brokerage. Saving for the future, put some of your crypto into savings account alternatives and earn better interest rates than you typically would from a bank. And that goes, the banks are paying nothing right now. But they're also lending money out really cheap. So you can't pay a lot when you're not making a lot. Buying derivatives. I've never done this. Make long or short bets on certain assets. Think of these as crypto versions of stock options or future contracts, which I have not done. I don't know if I will get into derivatives on crypto. I may learn about it and share it with you here, but as of right now, I have no knowledge or even where to do it at. What are the downsides? Fluctuating transaction rates on Ethereum. Gas fees can be very expensive, very expensive. Don't fool yourself. They have an Ethereum 2 coming out, which is supposed to alleviate some of these costs, but we'll see. Depending on which apps you use and how to use them, your investment could experience high volatility. And we know that crypto is dangerous. It's not insured. Crypto can go to zero. Any crypto can go to zero at any moment. And I know we hate to think about that, but it can happen. And this is the pet peeve for me is you have to maintain your own tax records. And if you trade a lot, that is a lot of records that you have to keep, and you have to go through and figure out what your gains or losses are. And I just don't understand why there isn't a solution for that. And there may be a solution, but I don't know what it is. And I don't want to have to enter into anything manually. I would love to just download my transactions and it spits me out a tax form that I can hand in. Here are the benefits of decentralized accounts. They're open. You don't need to apply for anything. With a DeFi account, you can be anonymous, and there are certain accounts, you can't do it on Coinbase, you can't do it on crypto.com, you can't do it on Robinhood. They have a process called KYC, know your customer, and you have to fill out information, provide your ID. So I was trying to look at how do you fund a decentralized wallet, and everything I can find is that you have to transfer money in from your exchange into that wallet, and then you can trade anonymously inside that wallet. But it seems like that is not as anonymous as it thinks, because to transfer money into your exchange, you have to do the KYC. So the story is yet to be told on that. If somebody knows how you can be completely anonymous on trading in a DeFi wallet, please let us know. I'll keep doing research if I can find out, but it's fast. You can do a crypto exchange in a matter of seconds most of the time. Now, I've had some where I'm sending to another wallet that has taken a couple days, and that was very scary. With decentralized, there's nobody to call. There's no one person to call and yell at like, hey, where's my money? Because it's decentralized. There is no centralized office where you can yell at people, but that's, that's the beauty and the downfall of it. And all your block trade or all your trades in crypto are on blockchain, so it is transparent, which is a good thing and a bad thing. So there are quite a few places that are decentralized wallets, and here are a few of them: Pionix, CoinMama, Binance. I'm not sure Binance is completely DeFi. CoinGate, Lobster, Bitquick, Bitcoin.com. I have never used any of these, so I can't really say that they are absolutely safe. I don't know. Never used any of them. If you have used them, please comment below and tell us what your thoughts are on those. So that's the 50,000 foot overview of a DeFi wallet. Is it safe? I think it's as safe as you make it. Especially for my beginners out there, including myself, I suggest staying with the non-custodial wallets that are on Coinbase, Crypto.com, Robinhood, until you get a little more experience with dealing with, protecting your private keys, protecting your information, and know what you're doing when you're sending coins from one wallet to another. Because if you send your coins to the wrong wallet or the wrong type of crypto, you lose that money. If you try to send Bitcoin to an Ethereum wallet, that money just is gone. It's gone. You'll never get it back, at least not that I know of. So the full view of this is, for right now, if you are a beginner, do not use, at least this is my opinion, do not use a DeFi wallet. Stay with Coinbase. This is complicated enough in the beginning. Don't make it more complicated. Don't take a chance on losing your money. Now, as you get more experienced, you may want to do a DeFi wallet so that you have more anonymity. But right now, let's just stay with keeping it simple, stupid, KISS, and protect yourself with, we'll just use Coinbase. With Coinbase, you don't have to keep track of your private key. And Coinbase, if Coinbase gets hacked, your money is protected. With a DeFi wallet, if it gets hacked, I don't think you're protected. I think if they hack your DeFi wallet, your money is gone. So I'm signing off. Remember, do your research, be safe out there, and you too will be rolling in crypto.